So hello guys, welcome back to this video. So today in this video I will teach you how to you solve your screen recording sound problem in Oppo mobile phones. So here we go. At first you have to go in the settings, and after going in settings you have to search for our screen recording. So here we go. So after it's coming in screen recording, so guys, as like I have turned my system is on, this record system sound is on, like this you have to do on in your mobile. So guys, after doing this, make sure that record microphone sound should be on. So guys, this is what you have to do in screen recording in Oppo mobile phones. So guys, this is just a short videos. So guys, if you really like this video, hit the like buttons, and thanks for watching this video.